love, thank you for being my best friend, my lover, my comfort, my strength. Thank you for understanding me sa mga pagkakataong hindi ko na maintindihan ang sarili ko. I always thank God for having you. Standing here with you today, I feel the weight at this moment. A moment that is everything I've ever dreamed of and more.
We were choosing opportunity over wrong and right. Was it
Willie and Sheila, ang ginagawa niyong bagong yugto ng inyong love story ngayong araw ay hindi lang para sa inyo. Para yan sa inyong mga anak. Para yan sa mga susunod na henerasyon.
beggars we are, all these lessons we learned, we can never return. We can never return. Stack of letters in the
Today, standing here with you, I feel as though every step, every moment, and every choice in my life has led me here to you, to us, to this promise, and so, with all the love in my heart and every piece of my soul, I want to make you a vow not just for today, but for every day we are blessed with together.
of the past we take is a
I vow to stand by you when storms come and to celebrate with you when the sun shines brightly on us. I will be your unwavering partner in every season of life.
beggars we were, all these lessons we learned, we can never return. We can never return. Beggars we were, all these lessons we learned, we can never return. We can never return.
Sheila, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Willie, your husband?
Yes, Father.
Willie, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Sheila, your wife?
Yes, Father.
Read the line in from my memory. Let the truth be known.
Now you tell me, bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba?
I'm so happy na both ikaw at saka yung pinsan ko is happy together, and I'm hoping na forever machi-cherish niya yung relationship niyo.
While the earth stands still. Dashboard. What could be in the radar? We have no map. Got no plan.
Sa bahay lang, wala na kami pera.
Say you'll stay with me forever. Say you'll be my only.
Wish ko sa'yo, Tashe, sana maging healthy yung baby mo and maging happy ang marriage niyo ni Kuya Will.
We've got the whole world at our feet. We'll take our time. Yeah, we'll leave who we want.
hayaan ninyong ang Diyos ang maging saksi sa pakikipagtipan ninyo sa isa't isa. Ang Diyos ang saksi sa inyong forever. Ang Diyos ang pupuno sa lahat ng kulang sa inyong buhay at sa inyong pamilya at sa inyong pagmamahalan. Ang Diyos ang nagbabasbas sa inyo ngayon. Congratulations and God bless you po.
the dark till your eyes adjust to the light and you see all the stars. They're not so far.
Pero itong gusto kong sabihin sa inyong dalawa. Ilagay ninyo ang Diyos sa buhay pamilya nyo. Anumang unos ang harapin ninyo, kailanman hindi niya kayo pababayaan at hindi niya pahihintulutan na kayo ay maghiwalay.
Don't forget the voice inside your head. I'll always find a way back to your heart. Just keep waiting in the dark. Keep holding on. Dreams are coming soon. I'll be there with you. It won't be long. And you'll be in my.
When I look at you, I see you the most handsome, hardworking, patient, and the most loving person. I see how hard you work at your job and in our relationship. All that hard work will pay off one day. I see you. I respect you. I appreciate you. Love, from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at pag-iintindi na never kong ramdaman. Kahit kanino. Mahal na mahal kita.
Just close your eyes and you'll find me. Just close your eyes and you'll find me. Just close your eyes and you'll find me. I'll be there. I'll be there.
Willie Jr., you may now kiss your bride, Sheila. Palagpakan po natin sila. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Willie and Sheila Abuan Jr.
Close those tired eyes and put that mind to rest. You'll be safe in bed. I'll hold you tight and you'll be loved.